Hello, fellow wordsmiths, readers, and writers that you are. So, being a good reader and being a good writer is understanding and taking command of your language. So, this is what you're going to do every other Wednesday, I think. So, I just want to explain it just in case you forgot or you were sick. So, this pink sheet should have gone home with you, and you are doing it on one of the days that you are at home learning. So, you're working on four things this week. One, proper nouns, which means those are names of places, people, or things. So if you can think of something specific, like a candy bar is a common noun, a Reese's peanut butter cup, your teacher's favorite candy bar, is a proper noun. Okay. A mountain is a common noun. Mount Everest is a proper noun. You can kind of see those things inside your head. Teacher, common noun. Mrs. Helgstead, proper noun. So over here, if you follow my cursor over to the left side of the screen, all you do right here is you capitalize Mrs. Nemo. So you capitalize these proper nouns. So you're going to go through and do all of this. We did this in class for you, so this is just a review, but just in case you want to remember. Okay, so number 2, we're working on the prefix super, which means above and beyond. So all you do is underline the prefix. I know that seems kind of silly, but it's just kind of pointing you out the difference between the prefix and the root. Okay, number 3, look at the idiom. So the idiom this week is to jump on the bandwagon, and that means to follow the crowd. Like the example I used in class is if the Vikings get good in November, I'm going to jump on the Vikings bandwagon. A lot of you teenagers have jumped on the TikTok bandwagon. So you guys all have TikTok. You probably heard about it from one person and then it kind of exploded. So jumping on the bandwagon does not mean you're actually jumping up and down. It means that you are joining something that's very popular and joining the crowd. By the way, a bandwagon, they used to have wagons that had band players in them. So kind of think of the Dozinski parade, like when we see those like wagons with a band on them. That's what a bandwagon is, I think. And then down here, you have to correct the sentence. So does Mrs. Burns want to go to New York City with us? You fix spelling errors, you fix capitals, and you add some punctuation, and you're good to go. So you have to do all of them. By the way, Tuesday, write a proper noun for each common noun. So if a person, then you have to think of a proper person or the name of a proper person. Okay? So make sure you're reading the directions. That's page 1. And then page 2 looks like this. It's not as big. And so write a common noun for each proper noun. That's the reverse. So Jenny is a girl, or you could say Jenny student, Jenny daughter, McDonald's restaurant, McDonald's restaurant's probably it. So, okay, and then go ahead and do some of this and fix that, and then turn it in when you get done. 3 minutes. That was probably too long, but just in case you needed that extra information.